man, it is happening.
It's happening.
It's very purple.
I'm on theme. It's purple. I love it.
I'm totally okay. There needs to be more purple roller coasters in the world.
Agreed.
That is definitely for sure. Oh man, this is a steep lift hill. All right, guys, we are at the top of the lift hill. Oh my God, are you ready for this? Oh crap! Here we go. Oh man, get ready for it. Here we go! 91 degrees! Wow! Oh man, that was some sideways airtime! Whee! Oh my God! Oh, what was that? We went upside down like twice! Oh, so much craziness! Ready? Woo! Oh, ho, ho! Woo! Sideways air time! Ready? Whee! Oh, man! Whee! Oh, I love it! I love it in all its purple goodness! It is awesome! Whee! Oh! And here we go! Holy crap! Woo! All right, guys, here we go. Back seat on Iron Gwazi, and I am not sure if I'm quite prepared for what is about to happen here. So now that you've ridden Iron Gwazi at least once, do you miss the old Gwazi?
Not at all.
This is probably the best upgrade to any roller coaster out there. Oh my God.
Hero to hero.
All right, we're at the top. I don't think I'm prepared for what is about to happen to us next.
What's gonna happen?
I have no. Oh, crap! Here we go! That was crazy! Oh my God! Ready? Oh, I love that part! That is so awesome! Oh man! Ready? Oh, I love sideways air time! More sideways air time! Woo! Oh, that is some crazy, purple, awesome roller coaster air time! Woo! Oh man! More purple air time! Oh my God! Oh! All right, guys, we are at the top of the lift hill. Oh my God. Are you ready for this? Oh crap, here we go. Oh man, get ready for it. Here we go. 91 degrees. Wow! Oh man, that was some sideways air time. Oh my God! Oh, what was that? We went upside down like twice! Oh, so much craziness! Ready? Woo! Oh, ho, ho! Woo! Sideways air time! Ready? Whee! Oh, man! Whee! Oh, I love it! I love it in all its purple goodness! It is awesome! Whee! Oh! And here we go! Holy crap! Woo! Okay, all right. I am catching my breath. Oh man, my hair is all like messed up and crazy. How was your ride?
It was very amazing.
How did you guys like it back there? Should we go again? Yes! Oh man, so Iron Gwazi rocked the house here at Busch Gardens, Tampa. Oh my God. Thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up? Awesome, awesome ride. Do you want to ride Gwazi lion, tiger, or alligator?
All about the gator.